Hello, this video will show how to generate color options by using Generative Recolor in Adobe Firefly. This is a vector file converted from image by using image trace in the last video. We can find this video in this channel. Now, I save this vector file to SVG. I will use Artbox and save it. I will keep this setting and click OK. And then we can open the browser and enter this link to go to Adobe Firefly online version. And then we can go to middle part and we find the generative recolor here. Click generate. And then we can upload our SVG file. I select it and open. We can describe what color we want. I try sun and beach, and then click generate to generate 4 options of recolor. Wait a moment. There are 4 kinds of options. If we want to another color, we can refresh. If we happy with this, we can check the permanent color here. And then we can shuffle the colors based on the permanent color. And then we can go to more options to copy to clipboard, or we can download the file here. If we change our mind, we can type other prompts here, for example, ocean and sky, and generate. There are 4 kinds of recolor options. If we don't have the idea about the prompts, we have the sample here. For example, we can choose Summer by the Sea. Also, we can choose the harmony here. I go back to default. And we can definite one color. For example, I choose green. All the option has green color. And I want to fix in black color. We can have the 4 options have the black and green color here. This is how we can generate color option of vector file by using Adobe Firefly. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Antisby. See you in the next video. Bye bye.